Welcome to Junior PioBiz. Each of our student competitors will have 3 minutes to present to our judges, followed by 3 minutes of Q&A with our judges.
We are Eli and Victor, and today we're going to present Quick Assist.
So our product is Instra Finder. We want to make it an app so average people can use it to locate the instruments in a song.
Hello, I'm Cody. This is Trenton, Brady. This is also Cody. And our project is Mask On.
This will be brought to you by currently for Evan Turrell, Mason Sampson, and me, Matthew Rasmussen.
So what we have for you today is called Restaurant Rater.
Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Nyack. Today I'm going to be pitching the idea for an app called Meta Compare.
I commend each of you for going through this process. It's not easy and it's excellent practice for you. I would encourage you to look at the problem from every aspect, the end user as well as the software developer, and try to look at all of the possible solutions.
The stuff that you gain, the knowledge that you gain going through all the processes, it's just a really good experience, and I think everyone should have to take entrepreneurship classes. And if you're really serious and passionate about your business idea, I would say keep going through it and push with it and you'll do great.
Really focus on what are the real big pain points of the public, and really focus on that target audience and figure out what's the thing that really annoys them, and then figure out a way to solve that. And if you can make something less painful for people, they're more likely to engage with it.
Whether you pursue entrepreneurship or you go towards a different path, seek out mentors, seek out people who can walk with you, people who have done the same things that you have done and who can give you advice based on their lived experiences. If you can avoid making the mistakes that other people before you have made, then you're already one step ahead of the game. So best of luck to all of you in whatever you decide to pursue in college. I'm very incredibly impressed with the results of these presentations.